Hello friends and welcome back to the Technical channel. So friends, today I will talk about BenQ PD2730S, a 5K monitor for designer looking for precision in space. So friend, the BenQ has rolled out the new PD2730S, a 27-inch 5K LCD monitor designed specifically for designer, artists and other creatives with a resolution of 5120 into 2880 pixel, and the monitor offers 77% more screen area than standard 4K display, giving designers such as much larger workspace to get their creative tasks done. And one of the standout feature on the PD2730 is color accuracy. The monitor covers 98% of Display P3 and DCI-P3 color space, 100% of sRGB and REC.709 color space, and this wide range ensures that the colors you see on the screen are close to the real life as possible, and it also supports 1.07 billion colors with 10-bit color depth with 2001 quadrant ratio, and the display delivers deep black and bright white, making it perfect for design work that require attention to detail. So friend, the monitor also comes with BenQ Palette Master Utility software, which let users calibrate the colors to get even more precise accuracy with 12 different color modes, including one for CAD CAM and animation design. And the monitor can be customized to fit different creative workflow, whether you are working on 3D design, digital art, and video editing, and the display add-on to your needs. And the nano matte coating is another feature that reduces reflection, ensuring you can see work clearly even in bright environment. Another feature that designer will appreciate is the KVM switch. Is the KVM functionality. This allows you to control two PC with one keyboard and mouse, which is huge time saver for anyone working with multiple devices. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.